Hello, grade 8F Nations. Ma'am Risa Rojas is here. I will be your math teacher this school year 2020-2021. I hope this video will help and guide you in accomplishing your task in Mathematics A. Our topic for the whole week is factoring polynomials, and I will be discussing the first topic, which is factoring polynomials with common monomial factor. Factoring polynomials with common monomial factor. What are the objectives of the lesson? 1. Identify the common monomial factor. 2. Factor completely polynomials with common monomial factor. To start our lesson, let me define first factoring. Factoring is the reverse process of multiplying polynomials. Factoring a polynomial means writing it as a product of other polynomials. Look at the polynomial 2x plus 10. We can write it as a product of two factors, 2 times the quantity x plus 5. 3y minus 18. We can express it as 3 times the quantity y minus 6. Now, how do we factor polynomial by a common monomial factoring? 1. Determine the GCF of the given polynomial. 2. Rewrite the polynomial as a product of the common factor and the remaining factor. Let us have some examples so that we can fully understand the lesson. Let us look for the common monomial factor present in each polynomial and write the polynomial in factored form. Let us have example number 1. 2x minus 16. To factor, let us find first the factors of 2, and they are 2 and 1. The factors of 16 are 2 and 8, 4 and 4, 16 and 1. What are the factors common to both terms? Ibig sabihin, ano yung number na meron ang both terms na pareho? It is 2. So the GCF is 2. To determine the other factor of the polynomial, we have to divide its term by the GCF. So we have 2x divided by 2 is x, and negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. So we have the factors of 2x minus 16, or 2x minus 16 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 8. To check if our factors are correct, we're going to apply distributive property of multiplication. We will multiply the GCF to each term inside the parentheses. Let's have another example. Y to the fifth plus y cubed. To factor this polynomial, first we are going to examine it carefully. Since both terms have a numerical coefficient of 1, just identify the variable which has the smallest exponent. What is it? Yes, it is y cubed. So y cubed is our GCF. To determine the other factor of the polynomial, we have to divide each term by the GCF. So we have y to the fifth divided by y cubed equals y squared. In dividing powers, we are subtracting their exponents. Y cubed divided by y cubed equals y cubed minus 3 equals y raised to 0. An expression, when it's raised to 0, the value is 1. To express now the polynomial in factored form, we have y to the fifth plus y cubed equals y cubed times the quantity y squared plus 1. Again, to check, use distributive property of multiplication. Example number 3. M to the 5th n squared plus mn. Let us identify the variable with the smallest exponent. The GCF is mn. Use mn as the divisor for each term of the polynomial. So we have m to the 5th n squared divided by mn equals m to the 4th n. Mn divided by mn equals 1. Now, express it as a product of two factors. We have m to the 5th n squared plus mn equals mn times m to the 4th n plus 1. Check the factors by distributive property. I hope you understand our lesson. Thank you so much till our next video.